Hey everyone, it's James with geometriccharts.com. It is January 16th. It is 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. And the video is not investment advice. And with that said, I wish there was more to say, and I don't want to be that YouTuber that tries to drag things out just to meet the 10-minute mark, because they are going to ding me on these short videos, but it is what it is. Again, I'm not here to become this gigantic hype person or this personality on YouTube. Rather, just kind of explain what I think is happening in the markets, and hopefully that helps people understand what's occurring. As of now, basically, we're just churning sideways. We're trying to hold some footing. We're still within the band. This was the prior support level from a very long time ago in Bitcoin, on where I thought a likely support zone would be for Bitcoin, and that was due to all this chopping back and forth. That's where buyers and sellers couldn't really figure out what was going to happen with price, and it led to a very significant move. It was a prior energy coil. We are still within that energy coil, so I'll take that as a positive. If price starts to break below about 3,500 on Bitfinex, and everything else is kind of like Binance and Coinbase, they are lower than Bitfinex, roughly I don't know, $60 or $70 on one and about $90 on the other. So the point is that if we break down and we break out of what this prior energy coil has basically created a support zone for us. If we break out of that, then we will more than likely unravel to retest the low. And if the low doesn't hold up, then we would unravel more than likely into the mid 2,500s. And there's a little small zone around there too. So as of now, though, I just feel like Bitcoin's trying to find footing. If it can, it would be positive for Bitcoin, meaning that Bitcoin will try to trek higher. However, I do not think that we're going to see this monstrous rise in price. I think it's almost like becoming the new as one of my subscribers said, the new 6,000, to where we're just going to kind of grind along. It's really just going to draw this entire process out as far as possible. So we'll see what happens. As long as price isn't breaking this into this zone, all right, there's still another catch, but still that's one heck of a fall from about 36.68 all the way down to about 3,200 Binance. That's a monstrous drop right here to try to hang on in hopes that the market's going to hold up. So if this zone doesn't hold up and we start breaking lower and we take this out, then sayonara. We're off to the 2,500 area, or probably somewhere around that range. And that's if that area holds up, right? There's no guarantees. It's just looking back at chart, looking at back where buyers and sellers were highly active and where price was able to successfully launch from those areas. So those are the zones. I honestly wish I could say more. If Bitcoin can hold into the weekend, then I do think it's going to try to grind higher, but more than likely it's going to be at a horizontal plane, meaning that not much is going to happen. Kind of like this pink line right here. That's basically what Bitcoin's doing. So there's not much going on, and unfortunately it makes the videos rather bland and almost empty in a sense. So that's pretty much it for the night. If we can get hopefully some momentum going in either direction going into tonight, tomorrow, maybe the Friday video will have more in store. But if not, I could pretty much say that based on every single weekend, price has gone absolutely flat. So good luck breaking this if we have to rely on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And more than likely, the Monday video would actually have some meat to it versus these recent videos that I've put out on YouTube. So I thank everybody for their time and their support. If you do like the videos, like, comment, subscribe, follow. I wish I could bring you more, but unfortunately, that's pretty much it today. So have a great day, great night, depending on where you are in the world.